What's your name?
My name is Santosh Sundar.
Mr. Santosh, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
23 years old. Are you married?
No, sir.
Not yet. What is your qualification?
My qualification is plus 2 pass.
Plus 2 pass. That means 12 pass.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any work experience?
Yes, sir. I am working in Hotel Amanda as a hotel kitchen helper.
Okay. You still working there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which country do you like to apply?
Romania.
Okay. Which post?
Food helper. Kitchen helper.
Okay. Can you show me your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is onion. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Santosh.
Thank you, sir.